this isn't going to end well for him. It might attack him.
Oh, the feather might get him.
It's a good thing he's cute. Seriously. Really good thing he's cute.
Is it moving?
No, but I think it did move. It fell off a bird that flew from the bird feeder, right?
Good boy, Chad.
Good boy, Chadsy. That's a nasty feather.
What's the matter, Tope? You don't know what he's talking about?
Tope's trying to find what it is he's barking about. He's been doing this for like 10 minutes.
Get it, Chansey. Oh. Oh, it moved. Chansey.
I don't know, Toby. He's crazy.
Oh my
Have you ever seen anything so funny in your life? Go check your dinner.
Boo boo. It's okay. It's not gonna get you.
There's the feather.
Evil, evil feather.
I love that skirt, Pud.
Thank you. It's okay, boo boo.
Oh my god, this is hilarious. What is it it's gonna do to him?
Chansey! Toby, what's he doing? I've been recording this for 4 minutes. Chansey, hey, it's okay. It's just a feather.
Look, Toby.
Chansey, it's okay.
What is this? Toby, what is this?
It's a feather.
Toby, look, Toby, what's this? Toby, look, here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
He's gonna try and like eat it.
Oh,
he ate it.
He ate it.
Oh, such a heroic battle,
Where'd it
Chance.
go?
Chance, it's probably stuck to his face.
Chansey. No, he's going.
Oh, no, now he's got it. Okay,
Good boy.
you might want to check and see that.
Chansey, can I see your face? Did you eat it?
Yeah, he did. It says